Hey, what's really good, people? Welcome back. Studios back at Amin. How you doing? How you been? I hope everything's good with you. I have this 2018 Chevy Tahoe. This is a 5.3 liter engine diesel LT. I'm gonna show you real quick how to do the oil change in this baby, how to reset the oil life. Alright, so stay tuned. Come on, show you how to do it. Don't forget to support the channel. Okay, down here there's a heart. That's a super thanks button. Click on it, go through it, show your love. That's a return of kindness. Know what I'm saying? And shout outs to everybody that support the channel. Thank you for the love. Thank you for the support. Where would I be without y'all? Let's get it. Let's get it straight. This is the fourth generation from 2015 to 2020. Okay, so if you have a, Tahoe between those years, this video is for you. Okay, all right, come on, let's get it. We're gonna come over here where everything is beautiful. You see it right here. That's how you open the hood. Okay, pull it once. Dun, 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 dun. Now you're gonna come over here at the middle of the front. Here's the latch. Push it to the right. Pull up the hood. You don't need to put kickstands because it has those holders. It's gonna hold it in position for you. Okay. Now here, that's the engine oil cap. It's gonna tell you what type of oil it takes. It's gonna be full synthetic, 0W20, okay? 0W20. We have the windshield fluid reservoir, brake fluid reservoir, okay? Oil dipstick, you see the yellow thing? That's the oil dipstick. All right. Engine oil filter, coolant reservoir, battery right here, okay? Transmission stick. We have the port for the AC. That's one of them. All right. The other one shouldn't be that far. So yeah, pretty much. This is a 5.3, by the way. Okay. All right, we'll come down here where everything is beautiful. Right here is gonna be my oil drain plug, oil filter. All right. 50mm socket for this. Ooh, ooh. Look at this. Get ready. Set. It's gonna splash a little, so just let it go, all right? Let it go. Like your ex, let it go. All right, not bad, not bad. And over here, the oil filter, might as well, right? Grab your rag, okay, just in case, because there's more in there. I'm just gonna drop it slowly. Right. Now, if you see the where the oil filter sits, I'm gonna wipe it. I'm gonna clean it, okay, and put the new filter there. All right. You can now put the oil drain plug back, tie this nugget with the 50mm socket. That should be Gucci. Let's get the oil filter. Okay, the oil filter is gonna come dry here. That's the gasket, oil ring, whatever you want to call it. Use the same oil to lube it and mount it. Counterclockwise to tighten it. No, clockwise to tighten it. Clockwise. Tighten it by hand, don't use any tools because you might puncture it. You don't want to do that or your engine's gonna be leaking. Okay, that's it. Just pour the new oil. Okay, here where everything is beautiful. Put your funnel in there. Okay. Now we're gonna pour 8 quarts, 0W20, full synthetic oil. All right. Yeah. Let me see. Let me see. Gotta get the angle right here. There we go. 8 quarts, all right? Remember, this says 8 quarts, right? But me being me, I'm gonna put a 7.5. And then I'm gonna test it. Not chain. Because it's me, you know? Okay, that's 7.5. I'm gonna remove the funnel. Put the oil cap back. Start the car, I mean the truck. SUV, whatever you want to call it. And let it idle for a minute so the oil go through the whole system, you know what I'm saying? No ideal. It's running right now. All right, it's been running for a minute. I'm gonna shut it down now and check the oil level. The oil dipstick. It's all the way here in the back. Let me show you. So it's supposed to be right here. You see that dot, or where the line ends? It's supposed to be right there. Okay. Okay. All right. Don't lean on this. Okay. This is plastic. You don't want to break it. Okay. Going in. Pull it out. Huh. It might take more than this is with a 7.5 quarts. Watch. If you don't see it, maybe you see it. It's right here. Right there. You see it, right? We're gonna put the other half and see the difference. Okay. Okay. Take this out. Huh. So, yeah, maybe maybe another half, pretty much. The thing is that everywhere I look, it says 8 quarts. I just put 8 quarts, and it's not all the way. The oil is not supposed, it's not where. But I think it's going up. So yeah, we're gonna leave it at 8 quarts. We're gonna leave it at 8 quarts. Okay, this is a 5.3 liter engine. I could put another half, but it's up to you. It's up to you what you want to do. Okay. If I put another quarter, I don't think it's gonna be bad, but you know, if you want to see the oil all the way to the top, you know, the oil. Okay. That's pretty much it. Okay, put the oil cap back. We're done with this. Okay, time to reset the oil life. I'm gonna start the truck. Running right now. I'm gonna use these buttons. Okay. So you see it right there. Let me see if it looks better like that. No. Okay. We're gonna scroll to the right. No, it's not there. Go back to the left. Scroll down. Keep going, keep going, keep going. Right there. Okay, it says oil life. Now scroll to the right. Tells you right there, reset. Press the check button right here. It's gonna ask you, are you sure that you want to reset? Scroll to the right. Yes. Press check. Boom. That's how you reset the oil life in this baby, alright? I hope you liked the video. I hope you enjoy like I did. And thank you for watching. Shout outs to the subscribers. Thank you for the support. Thank you for the love. Viewers. Okay. I'm gonna live right here. See me in the next one. Stu, boom. Clacking out.